What really counts as a foul in football?
Why do some tackles get just a warning, while others lead to a red card?
And what new rules could impact the FIFA World Cup 2026? Let's break it all down in the simplest way possible.
Football may look simple, score goals and win towel. But behind the action is a detailed rulebook.
In the FIFA World Cup 2026, players will follow the official laws of the game with modern enforcement. So what exactly is a foul? That's an unfair challenge on the opponent. Foul. Yellow card.
Some common fouls include kicking or attempting to kick an opponent,
Tripping, pushing, holding, or jumping dangerously on opponent team.
If a foul is committed, the referee can award a free kick or a penalty kick to that opponent team.
It all depends on where the foul happens on the pitch.
Not all fouls are treated the same. A yellow card is a warning.
Players get it for unsupporting behavior, time wasting, or repeated fouls again and again.
A red card is much more serious. It means the player is sent out off the ground immediately. This can completely change the outcome of a match.
VAR referee, or video assistant referee, helps referees review key decisions.
It is used for goals, penalties, red cards, and mistaken identity.
VAR will be even faster and more accurate in the FIFA World Cup 2026.
This means fewer mistakes, but also more drama on the pitch.
Now let's talk about the offside rule, Kentip, one of the most confusing rules in football.
A player is offside if they are closer to the goal than the ball, and second last defender.
This rule stops players from staying near the goal, waiting for easy goals.
Now let's look at some interesting football facts you might not know.
Did you know the fastest red card in football history happened in just a few seconds?
Some matches in football history have seen more than 10 yellow cards. VAR decisions can completely change the outcome of a tournament.
Football rules were first created in 1863 in England. Since then, the game has evolved with new rules and technology. Red and yellow cards were introduced in 1970 to make decision easily for players.
Today, football is faster, stricter, and more advanced than ever.
The FIFA World Cup 2026 will showcase the most advanced version of football rules yet. From fouls to VAR, everything is designed to keep the game fair. And fairness is what makes football the world's most loved sport. That's why understanding the rules makes football even more exciting to watch. You can now clearly understand fouls, cards, VAR, and offside.
The FIFA World Cup 2026 will bring these rules into action on the biggest stage. Every decision, every foul, and every card can change history. So now you're ready to enjoy football like a true expert.
If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, what football rule confuses you the most? Thank you for watching.